Hi there, and today I am joined by Kirstin Butcher, CEO and founder of Genvis, located in Perth, Australia. Kirstin, terrific to see you today, and welcome.
Hi, Jeff. Thank you.
Can you introduce the firm to our audience?
Yeah, great. So we work with public safety teams, building software solutions that help them keep communities safe. They're using them to perform key business functions that really matter for them. So things like offender management and firearms management, video forensics, crisis incident management. It's really things that matter to them and help them be much more effective in the work that they do.
Now, you've come up with a number of really innovative solutions in working across governments. What are you hearing from our mutual customers out there?
Yeah, so I think there's definitely been a change over the last couple of years in recognizing that they need to augment internal teams and internal capabilities with expertise from other startups and other companies that do a certain thing really, really well. So, they're stretched for resources. They can't tackle everything. They have been building things inside their organization, and that's just not going to work for them as they have to rise to this challenge of, delivering services better to the public. So we're definitely seeing much more interest in engaging with us and finding out what we do and working to really sort of build these solutions that meet their unique requirements. So that's been an exciting time to see that there aren't so many barriers to entry anymore. There's definitely a willingness to have these discussions.
Now, our customers are moving with a quick speed and accelerating their digital transformation. What areas can AWS and Genvis do together to help our mutual customers recognize the benefits of cloud?
Yeah, so our focus is obviously bringing in fit for purpose solutions so that customers get value very, very quickly. We recognize that, someone who's sort of championing a new project needs to bring value very quickly or show value quickly to get that internal support. So we make sure that the solutions we build actually matter to their teams and help them get more effective. When we work with AWS, what they really bring is that second set of eyes, because our customers are working under high public scrutiny environments, the stakes are high. Things need to be safe, secure. We're stewarding sensitive data at mass scale. And that's something that AWS has got years of experience doing. So bringing in the second set of eyes has been very, very useful. It's reviewing our software architecture. It's reviewing, how things need to integrate with their existing systems. So it becomes a sort of collaborative team effort. And both companies are sort of really committed to that success of our customers. And I think our customers feel that during implementations.
Yeah, Kirstin, during the last couple of years, COVID has challenged the globe, our teams, our customers, yet there's been an acceleration and you all have continued to flourish. How have you been able to flourish so quickly given those challenges?
Yeah, the last couple of years have really removed barriers to entry. With COVID, speed has been of the essence, trying to deliver solutions really quickly and at mass scale and securely. So our solutions have been used to manage borders, perform contact tracing, allow digital at-home quarantine checks and compliance. So things that really matter that have allowed us to keep our communities safe. And in many states that we've worked, it's really enabled the states to sort of continue living their lives as freely as possible, despite the pandemic around us. So it's shown our customers how quickly you can actually move if you have the will and you put the right teams to work for you.
Kirstin, thanks so much for spending time with us, but also thank you for the partnership. It's inspiring to see your continued growth, not only there in Australia, but global. Best wishes and thanks for joining.